this video, I'm going to share with you Anna Griffin's Christmas wreath stickers and sentiments. Hey guys, it's Marie Antoinette with Posh Paper Perfection, and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so on July 13th, HSN had a craft day, and all of us Anna Griffinites were so excited because we knew Christmas in July. So I end up getting, I believe, 4 or 5 different new releases, and this is one of them. This is the Anna Griffin 120 Christmas wreath stickers and sentiments, and I am like so super excited because I love wreaths, and I have wreaths from last year's embellishment kit, but I ran out of them really quickly, and I really love that she has the sentiments that goes with it too. So what's included in here is 60 3D embellishments and 60 3D sentiments. You get 15 different designs and 4 of each design, which is pretty cool. And they're also so beautiful. And 60 3D sentiments. The sentiments say things like merry and bright, happy holidays, sending holiday cheer, Merry Christmas, winter blessings, and more. These embellishments sold out on HSN, but I'm sure that they will be available on Anna Griffin's website. Now, I'm going to tell you, I'm so excited about all of the possibilities of cards that I could make. And I did not get Anna's slimline door, but I did have the doors, dies, and decorations die set from last year, and look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? If you'd like to learn how I make this card, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload that video. Thanks again for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. And don't forget, if you want to be notified of the latest videos, please click on the bell.